to Newcastle Baths. All these houses here were not there before. They're all brand new. And this is the harbour. Looks like it's quite a popular walk this morning. Someone's getting married. Greek priest. Yeah, so all these apartments here are new. This bridge is new. Oh, it's going to be a bit hard.
No, I mean unlisted.
Wow. New apartment blocks. This is a new restaurant. I've not been in it yet. This is another new restaurant here. It's quite nice. And there's the apartments above it. Benidorm flats, look like something in the Mediterranean. It's busy today. That's where all the coal ships going.
We'll wait here for Hannah, darling.
Here are some restaurants. This one on the corner here is very nice. Behind Blanca. And this is a honeysuckle hotel which overlooks the water. Oh, trailers. Here's a boat that does day tours down the harbour, up the river. And here's an old boat that does tours as well. And this walk in front of us is supposed to be made into a wine bar, but never has happened. City centre's that way, if you can call it a city centre. These are some more bars and restaurants. Honeysuckle. Hotel. That over there, see the coal ship coming in? And that over there is the lighthouse. And that's the direction we're going in. It's a little bit overcast today, but I think it's that type of weather that'll burn here. restaurant here on the left hand side. That is the ferry to Stockton. That place back, so we'll go over there one day. Oh look, somebody's walking the bike path, that makes lots of sense. There we go. That ship's pretty big. There's the old station, that's where the train used to come, but now it's just a tram. People having a picnic there. Thank you. Did you get that on camera? Right over there, I don't know if you can see sand dunes, that's Anna Bay. That's where it is. And that's where you can go camel boarding, sorry, camel riding and snowboarding, sandboarding.
Nice, right? Thank you.
Very busy today. Actually, Louise has been there. Oh, lobster roll, crab rolls, prawn rolls. Yummy. Crab roll, hot dogs. Wow, look at the car park. Okay. And that is why I got a bike. Okay, coming up here, if we went left, we'd go to the lighthouse. We're not going to do that today. We're going to go right. This beach, which is random. Thank you. This is a bit, it's called bathing spot. It's good for snorkeling. This is a shared path between walkers and bikers. And as you can see, Slate can't get a car park. Oh, what's this guy doing on the skateboard? This is a little surf beach here. Can't remember what it's called. And that house up there with the balconies and stuff had a little mudslide below it. What a view, eh? Nice. So this is a nice little beach, it's not really a swim beach. And this, just over to the left, is Newcastle Baths. This is an ocean pool. This house here is brand new built. It's nice, isn't it? None of your friends can park anywhere though. And this is Newcastle Baths. So you see how it's a facade? They're doing something with that. There we go, so this is canoe pool. And this is the baths. It's not that busy today, but I reckon that's because it's overcast and people thought it was going to be really nasty today. You can see all the coal ships off the sea. I don't know if you can see those on the camera. And then normally there's quite a few dolphins around there. And this is a canoe pool for the kids. And then over there's this pathway goes all the way around up there. So we'll just go down there in a minute, but it's really busy, so I might not, to be honest. Let's see. saying this is a shared path, but yeah. I've realised why it's so busy, because it's nippers where they learn to do surf life saving and also swimming. See all the red pink things? They're all the nippers. So we might just stop, to be honest.